Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the Cast Iron Wednesday challenge for November, which is cheese. So we're going to be doing beer cheese. We've got three things to accompany it. We're going to be using the Hellrazr Nomada and the FireKing wood oven. So come on, let's cook. The first dish we're going to make to accompany this beer cheese is chicken tenderloins, or as we call them here in the UK, chicken goujons. So I've got about 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper. We'll give that a mix. We've also got 3 cups of panko breadcrumbs, 2 eggs that have been lightly beat, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of paprika, and our chicken. So now we're going to add our paprika to our pankos and also our olive oil. Just going to give that a good mix in. So here we go. Chicken, flour, that, egg wash, breadcrumbs, to our pan. So this is our last one. And look, still managed to keep one clean hand. So the first thing to do is to get our chicken tenders in. We've also got some Chipolata sausages. Let's get them in as well. Both of these will take about 15 minutes to cook, exactly the same time as the beer cheese. Door on. We're going to pop our cast iron pan onto the Hellrazr Nomada and let that start to warm up. Once that's warm, the first thing to add is 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're just going to melt this down into the pan. We're going to make like a roux for this beer cheese. So once it's melted down, we're going to go in with 3 tablespoons of AP flour. We're going to give this a good stir. Let the flour soak up the butter. It doesn't matter at this point if it goes lumpy. Cook this out for about 2 minutes until it goes this nut brown colour. The next thing we're going to add is 3/4 of a cup of whole milk. We're going to stir this in. We're going to combine all this together and we're going to let it cook for another couple of minutes. This milk will start to thicken, as you can see. So once it's thickened, we're going to go in with some cheese. 2 cups of cheese. I've got 1 cup of red Leicester cheese and 1 cup of mature cheddar cheese. I think this mature cheddar cheese is going to give it a stronger flavour. Just going to combine it all in together and start melting this cheese down. Look at this cheesy, gooey goodness. To this now we're going to add some beer. About 2/3 of a cup. I'm just going to do it by eye. That's enough for me. We're going to mix this in as well. We're still trying to melt this cheese down. You can see it's a little bit lumpy at the moment, but we're going to just keep working it and melting and melting. Next to go in is 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Why do I like Worcestershire sauce? Because I can say it. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter of a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of salt. We'll give this a good mix in. Combine everything together. I'm just going to let this cook out. If you'd like to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. Just click the subscription link below. So we're going to leave that for 10 minutes to cook, and that's just enough time to put these dough balls in. These are stored bought dough balls and they take 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes this beer cheese is ready. It's thickened up, all the cheese is melted down, and we're going to get it off into our serving bowl. Into our wood fired oven now. The dough balls have had their 10 minutes. The Chipolata sausages about 15 minutes. And our homemade chicken tenders have also had 15 minutes, and they've gone a lovely golden brown colour. Dutchy's Cast Iron Wednesday challenge for November. So we've made beer cheese with homemade chicken tenders, Chipolata sausages and garlic dough balls. I think we ought to give this a try. Take a chicken tender, dip it in our beer cheese. That is really good. You can taste the beer, you taste that paprika, and you can taste the mustard. The strong mature cheddar is coming through well. Really good. There goes for a Chipolata. It's insane. This is comfort bar food, without a doubt. Last one, dough ball. Here we go. Soft, spongy dough ball, garlic butter, and cheese beer. You just can't go wrong. Going back in. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.